Surprised that I was chosen as one of the outstanding alumni. And after giving much thought about this, I'm still surprised kung bakit ako nang mangyari. So, anyway, after graduating, I'm the valedictorian in our batch in 1993. I pursued a degree in Information Technology in Pamantasan ng Luzon ng Maynila. And in 1997, I got my first job as an analyst programmer in one of the multi-companies here in the Philippines. After 4 years of working in the Philippines, I was actually encouraged by my college friend na itatago ko sa pangalan Loretta for inviting me to try and work in Singapore. For this, I will forever be grateful to her. I forgot to invite lang siya dito sa event because I have already invited 10 guests. So baka isip nila it's my birthday party. I remember vividly when the time that I told our mommy that I will be flying to Singapore. She was not like most mothers in ways we know. She didn't ask bakit or anong gagawin ko doon sa Singapore. You want to know what she asked me? Ang tanong niya sa akin, kailan ako aalis? Agad ang sinabi niya sa akin. So that one question not only fueled my desire to look for greener pasture, but it reinforced my belief that this was the only way I can provide for my family and to make our lives better. Pag-alis ko, akala ko sandali lang ito, maybe 2 years, 3 years, naka 5 years, then became 10, tapos naging 15 years, and as I speak, I'm nearing 30 years overseas. I already spent half of my life there because next year I'm going to be 50. Sorry, hinapon 50. I'm turning 50 next year. In that span of time, lives have changed for the better, yes. Pero I also experienced some of the most painful changes in our lives. We lost our father in 2005. My mother passed away in 2016. While my siblings remain 4, thank God, my nephews are 7, and I have 1 niece. Parang ito na yung charity ko eh. So, all my charity events are undocumented. I promised our mommy that I will take care of all her akos education. So now I have 2 in college and 6 more to go. I have a strong belief in finishing one's education, and the same reason why I wanted to help all my pamangkins finish their degree of their choice. As in other families or individuals, we are not perfect. We encounter challenges every now and then, but we refuse to be defined by all this. My brother continues his recovery in a rehabilitation facility that we fully support. Ang importante naman talaga ay hindi yung kakulangan sa buhay o yung mga pagkakamali. What matters is our ability to bounce back from all of it, better and stronger. Ang turo po ng magulang namin sa amin ay maging marespeto sa kapwa. Mahalin namin ang isa't isa at maging sensitibo sa pangangailangan ng iba at lumaban ng patas. Hanggang ngayon po, pilit namin sinasabuhay ang mga paalaala ninyo. Masaya po ako na nakakatulong ako sa mga kapatid ko at pamilya nila. Minsan pati po mga tuning, channing, sa aming kapatid kapitbahay. Mga pinsan ko din po at wala akong pagsisisi sa lahat po ng iyon. Pero I also believe that being breadwinner has its limitations. Ang dapat lahat ng tao handa kung ang tulong ay biglang mawala or nagkulang. We have a saying, no, we don't give fish. We should teach them how to catch fish instead. Unti-unti, we want to prepare everyone to do the same. Kasi hindi naman lagi na nandito ako or kung sino man ang kasalukuyang tumutulong sa atin. Hindi naman palagi na may kakayahan ako or sila or may panahon pa ba or wala na. Anong important lesson here? It's very simple. We appreciate what we have and be grateful for it. We don't look for what's missing. We appreciate what we have. We also do not compare our lives with others because the moment we do that, it will be a never-ending ride to what's kulang and wala and it's not good. Para sa mga estudyante na nandito, just finish your studies. Para sa mga nagtatrabaho, laban lang one at a time. At para sa mga breadwinner, treat yourselves from time to time because that's what we all deserve. Sa mga teachers ko na bahagi ng aking paglalakbay, kinikilala ko po ang contribution niyo sa aking buhay. Maraming salamat po. Sa mga kaibigan ko po mula pagkabata hanggang ngayon, naging mabuti po kayong impluwensya sa buhay ko. Salamat po. Sa pamilya ko, sa tatay at nanay ko, itong parangal nito ay isang pagkilala sa lahat ng paghihirap at pagsusumikap nyo mula nung bata ako. Sana nandito pa kayo, kaso 3,000 pesos per head ang bayad ninyo. Kidding aside, I would have given my parents the world and everything indeed that they wished for. Kaya love your parents, appreciate them, and show them. Someone asked me po last time, what do I want people to remember me pag wala na ako? I have 2 words. Mabuting anak. Ako po si Michael Eddie Dagsuba. Ako po ang pangalan ng anak. Si Florenzo at Adoracion Dagsuba. Magandang gabi po sa inyo.
Everyone